Now, one of the easiest way to save your pipeline or your model will be using Joblib package. So again, I'm going to go to the top and import Joblib. Import Joblib. And let's just run again. Great. And now I can actually use Joblib. And it's literally like only a couple of lines of code, and it will allow you to save the model. Joblib.dump. And what are we trying to dump? Now, this is where things get really interesting, because we're not really importing just the model that we have created. We are importing the whole pipeline. And I actually love this feature because, remember, when we are using pipeline, first of all, is doing all of our steps. Pre-processing is doing the model training and all that. But one of the really good benefits that we get from the pipeline is that we don't really have to standardize our input by ourselves. We don't have to convert the name of the car to 200 different columns where one of them is activated using one hot encoder. We don't have to standardize year and miles. Everything will be taken care because in our pipeline, we are using a preprocessor, and that does all the work for us. So it makes it so easy, even for the interface. If you're designing some sort of an interface, like in web application or iPhone application, all you need to do is to just pass in the name of the car that the user has selected, pass in the year, and pass in the miles, and that's it. That's literally it. You don't have to do any crazy calculations. All right. So over here, we're saying we're going to actually save the pipeline, and the name that we will use will be, let's call it Carvana pipeline.pkl. All right. So that's what we're going to save it. And let's go ahead and just run this. So it's saved already. All right. And we can actually take a look at it in the files if it loads. Not sure what's going on over here. Oh, looks like it's broken or something. Okay, but you should be able to see it over here. Let me actually refresh this. I don't want to refresh, but okay, there we go. So now we can see Carvana pipeline, and make sure you download that. Perfect. Now, in your actual application, when you actually have to load this, whether you're building a Flask application or Django or whatever, you will simply say joblib.load, and then you're going to pass in the URL for the pipeline, and you're going to get the pipeline back. Once you get the pipeline back, well, you can say pipeline.predict, and that's where you will start. All right. So this will be in your actual application, wherever you want to load the pipeline. So there you have it. I mean, we started with looking at our data, with importing the data from Carvana dataset. We found out that there were some columns not really, correct. And we fixed it. We also performed the standardization process, one-hot encoding process. We used a pipeline, which was awesome. And in the end, we were able to get a pretty decent score of 85% score. And we were able to save our pipeline. So now this can be used in any application you want. So hopefully you have enjoyed it, and make sure to download the source code in the next lecture.